Hi kids, good morning to all. How are you all? I hope all are doing well at home. Welcome back to our computer class. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 7 from your computer book. The name of the chapter is Drawing with a Computer. While we are learning a chapter using a mouse, that time I taught you about the mouse, and that time I told you how to drawing with the help of mouse. Now today ma'am is going to teach you about the drawing with a computer. We can drawing on a notebook every time with the help of crayons, pencils, but this time we will learn how to draw things on computer. Let's read chapter number 7. Drawing with a computer. Children, let us have some fun with drawing and coloring. Let us draw kites by joining the dots with the help of pencil. These kites, okay? Dots are here, so with the help of pencil, you just complete this, okay? Complete this kite. Use an eraser to erase any wrong line. Fill the picture with colors and use your crayons to fill this kite. Which tools did you use? You have used a pencil, an eraser, a sharpener and colors. So while you are drawing on your notebook, that time we use these things. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, colors we need that time. Na? To make any drawing on a computer, same like whenever we want to draw any drawing on a computer, you do not need these tools. That time we don't need pencil, eraser, sharpener and colors. Then what we need? A computer has a paint program that help us to make colorful drawings. What we need whenever we want to draw anything on a computer, that time we need only paint program on our computer to make a colorful drawing. Next page. Drawing a straight line. Click the home tab. First of all, click on home tab. Click the line tool, this line tool. Click on line tool in the shapes. Where we got the line tools? We got line tools from the shapes. Then select any color from the color group and the line thickness from the size button. Size button are here. So you can choose any color, which colors line you want. Choose the any thickness. If you want the thinner one, so choose thin. If you want the thicker one size, so use the thicker one. This is up to you. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Then move the mouse pointer where? To the drawing area. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Drag means to drag like this, okay? And drag the mouse button and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Note that a line is drawn on the screen while dragging the mouse. Release the mouse button when you want to end the line. When you want to end the line, just release the mouse button, okay? Now tip is what? To draw a straight line, press and hold down the shift key while dragging the mouse on the drawing area. Erasing a drawing. How to erase? Whenever we are drawing on our notebook with the help of pencil, that time also sometime we do something wrong. So that time what we do? We use what? Eraser to erase it and again we make it correctly. So same like in drawing, whenever we are making a drawing on computer, if we did something wrong, so how to erase our drawing? The eraser tool we use, okay? The eraser tool is used to erase any part of a picture. Select the eraser tool from the tools group. Choose any size of the eraser by clicking the option in the size button. A square will appear in the drawing area. Hold down the left mouse button. Move it on the area you want to erase. Okay. Now next, activity. Those who have computer at home, like laptop and computer, they can do this activity at home. Use rectangle tool and oval tool to draw the following shapes. With the help of computer, go to the paint program, and with the help of rectangle tool and oval tool, you can make these pictures. Okay, those who have computer at home. Okay, draw these pattern using the line tool and rectangle tool. Make use the shift key to draw straight lines. Okay, so you can do this activity at home. I know it's difficult to do these things on phone, so those who have computer at home, they can do it. Okay, do that. Okay, selecting the brush tool, click the brushes tool from the tools group. Select any brush type from the options. Select any color from the colors group. Move the pointer to the drawing area. Press and hold down the left button of the mouse and drag the mouse to draw different lines. Now you can do this activity also. Draw these patterns using brush tool. To make a cone, draw a V and then D on top of it. So place an O on the top to make a cherry. So in this way you can draw an ice cream cone. And the B is to make an umbrella, draw a J and then a D on the top of it, and use fill with color tool to fill colors in the umbrella. Next is filling an object with colors. To fill an object with any color, click the fill with color tool in the tools group. Select the color of your choice. Move the mouse pointer to object that you want to fill. You can choose any color of your choice from where fill with colors. And what you can do, move the mouse pointer to the object that you want to fill there. Okay, click the left mouse button. The color will be filled in the object. Now this activity, how to make a house. First you use rectangle tool, then you use line tool, use rounded rectangle tool to draw the window. Then use rectangle tool to draw the door. Step 5, use oval tool to draw a circle. Then you make a beautiful house. Now book exercise will do, and this true and false. Paint program is used to make drawings on a computer. Is paint program is for drawing on the computer? Yes, this is true. To draw a straight line, hold down the control key. No, false. We have to hold down which key? Shift key. We can draw a square using the rectangle tool. Rectangle tool say we can draw a square. Yes, we can. So true. Eraser tool is used to paint the picture. Am I correct? Can we use eraser tool to paint the picture? No, this is false. Take the best answer. Where do you make drawings in a paint? Where we do drawings in a paint program? Drawing area. So 3 options are there. Tool group, drawing area, colors group. It's B is the correct one. So tick on B part. Which tool is used to draw a straight line? Brush tool, line tool, pencil tool. Which is the correct one? Line tool is the correct one. Which tool is used to erase a drawing? Rectangle tool, eraser tool or line tool? Which tool is used to erase a drawing? For erasing a drawing, we need eraser tool. And the fourth number is, which tool is used to draw a circle? Oval tool. Three options are there: line tool, rectangle tool and oval tool. So which tool we use to draw a circle? We need oval tool. Okay. Now answer in one word. Which button is used to change the thickness of a line? Size button. Which button? Size button for the thickness of a line. Which tool is used to fill color in an object? Colors group. Which tool is used to fill color in the object? Colors group. And now rearrange the jumbled letter to make a meaningful word. This is a unjumbledness, we have to make it jumbled. Number 1 is paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. Number 2 is tools. T-O-O-L-S. Tools. And number 3 is oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. And number 4 is color. C-O-L-O-R. Color. So this is the end of the chapter. I hope you understood it well. So once again, very shortly, quickly, I'll just explain it. It's about the drawing. Like we need pencil, eraser, sharpener, crayons for activity, like for drawing anything on our notebook. We need these things, but whenever we want to draw something on computer, that time we need paint program on our laptop or our computer. And first of all, what we do? We go to the paint program. Then after that, then we part of the, okay, missed this. Okay, then how to open the paint program? We choose this here. From here, click the start button. Then what we do? Choose all program. Then choose the accessories. Then click on a paint. Okay. Then parts of paint window is quick access bar tool. And next is paint button is here. Tab is here. This is drawing area. This is group and this is ribbon. So paint button is what? It contains different options to work in paint. And quick access toolbar is what? It contains the button which do common tasks. And ribbon is made up of tabs, groups and commands. So tab, it contains tools arranged in different groups. And drawing a rectangle, we need click on home button tab and then click rectangle tool in the shapes group. Then select the blue color from the color groups. This is up to you. Any color you can choose. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer change into a plus sign. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse button to draw a rectangle. Then release the mouse button when a rectangle is made. Drawing a circle, click the home tab and select oval from the shapes group and color of your choice from the colors group. Then click the size button, select the width and the selected tool. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area to a circle. Then we already read this one, how to draw a line. We choose a line tool from the shapes and then we choose size according to we need. Okay. And whenever we are using to draw a line, always what we do, we just hold down the shift key, okay, to make a straight line. Okay. And we can use eraser also. Whenever we are making a drawing on computer, we can use eraser tool to erase our if anything we have done wrong, so that time we can use eraser tool also to erase it. Okay. So and brush is there. With the help of brush you can draw anything. Okay. So in this way all the chapter is all done. So You can do it at home and read the chapter well, then you know then you know about all the tools. Okay, go to the paint program and make different drawings on your computer. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.